I just had the best time of my life.
I feel like I'm vibrating on a different frequency.
It was extremely riveting.
The energy is out of this world.
Please let me open up the floor to our founder, Tahani.
Really, freedom isn't about buying everything that you want, but it's really having choices.
The caliber of empowerment of knowledge in this room today is magical.
The conference blew my expectations out of the water. The list of speakers along with Tahani were exceptional. It felt empowering, like I had goosebumps about 10 different times today with some of the energy that was in the room.
Canada has all of the opportunity in the world from a mining perspective.
Bitcoin outbeat both gold and stocks by a mile.
AI is currently growing at a rate of 2 times every 2 to 3 months right now.
And that's how I closed my first development.
We want to give back the clarity, the confidence, and the control around your money.
Whether you have $5,000, $500, or $500 million, there is somebody that can help you.
Go enjoy your lunch. We'll see you back in an hour.
I don't usually go to conferences, but this was just a phenomenal experience.
It's been incredible. I did not know really much about this conference. I feel like everything about the conference was just so enlightening. I filled my notebook with notes that I actually ran out of pages.
This whole entire conference, BuildHer, has been well organized, very insightful, very informative.
It was worth the drive to come in today for the BuildHer Conference. It was just an incredible, impactful day.
What it does is it reminds us who we are, who we can be, and the joys of growing.
It was wonderful to be able to share in the stories and the experiences and be able to be enlightened by new information that you really can't find anywhere else unless you come to one of these conferences.
Raise your hand as high as you possibly can. Give yourself permission. That's right. That's right.
It has been an excellent day, and I stayed until the end just to hear all these wonderful stories that these ladies had to share with us.
Today was magical.